Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we're getting into the cuts. Yo, yo, yo. I don't know if you guys got a good angle here. I swear to God, I just drove with my knee to set this camera up on my head because I ran into the C63 again. So if you guys don't know, I had one video that kind of went crazy. It's got like 225,000 views, and it was a video of me racing the C63. And so a lot of people in the comments actually thought he was my friend, but here's me throwing my camera on just because I happened to run into him again. I mean, it's raining and there's traffic, so I wasn't really planning on recording just because there's so much traffic. Like the rain POV is not too bad, but when there's a whole bunch of cars, you know, it's just me doing this the whole time, so there's nothing fun about that. But there's the C63 from that other video. We're about to get on the 3-lane, so hopefully he wants to cut up a little bit, because that would be fun. It looks like he wants me to get next to him right now. I don't know what he's doing, or maybe not. I got next to him and he sped up a little bit. See if he follows me up. So nighttime cut up rain POV, whether that guy follows me or not. Looks like he's following me. I wonder if he's seen the video. Yo, if you're the guy who drives the C63 and you've seen the video that went crazy, or this video, let me know in the comments, bro. We should meet up and actually be friends like everybody in the comments thinks we are. So I noticed in my last video, and even some of the videos before that, sometimes I angle the camera like up a little bit too high, and you get a lot of like my ceiling and not a lot of like my steering wheel and dashboard. So hopefully this angle's a little bit better. I tried angling it down a little bit. The C63 is right behind me, but now we're a little bit too dense on the traffic in the server. Also, I noticed in my last video that you guys get a pretty good visual of my mirrors. So, that's cool. Yeah, he's right behind me. This guy's getting out of my way. I was hoping he would let me cut around him. I hope the C63 knows I'm not going to go too crazy just because it's raining out. Getting cutty, what's going on with him? C63's flashing his brights at me. I didn't do the hazards. I tapped my brakes. I didn't tap on my brakes. I don't like doing the hazards because I don't want people to think that I'm saying that I dusted them when I wasn't really competing. So you cutting up Durango or what? Maybe he is. He just can't go that fast. I don't know. But he is cutting up a little bit. I'd like to cut up a little bit faster than he is, though, so it'd be nice if he would. It's alright, I'll just do this. He's gonna get over. Yep. Cutting up with a Durango, very interesting. I didn't think this would be one of my videos. I hope he doesn't mac because it's raining. I know I won't. Oh, that's a cut right there. Not really. Getting involved now too. You already know the Infinity's gonna get in it. I guess the Infinity didn't get in it. I was hoping he would. I mean, the Q30 or the G37s and the Q50s always get involved. I'm surprised he did. We're going extra little bit. Normally I would get off right here. So the problem is sometimes after that exit the traffic intensifies, but it doesn't look like it's doing much of that here. I want it to intensify a little bit more than this. This isn't even cutting up. This is just me going faster than everybody else. I also forgot to put my sports displays up in my last video. Oh, here we go. But, come on, bro. Damn, if I go down enough exits, I'll be in Where's 981 territory. I hope whenever I do my city video, I hope I run into him, because it would be really sick to cut up with him. Now we're getting into the cuts. End up getting lost. I mean, you can't really get lost on this road, but please just stay. Come on, man. I mean, I don't get why you got to do that. That guy's going real slow. That's dead stop traffic. Yeah, I'm getting off here. Fuck that. So what I'll do is I'll get off this exit. I'll just do the same thing on the way back. Look at them. They're dead stopped. I'm not getting involved with that. Oh, I got my heated steering wheel on still. I'm going here. Can't really see if anybody's... Oh, this is so dangerous. So f***ing dangerous. Whatever. We out. There's a cop right there watching me do that too. All right, back into the 3-lane. Right over to the left. Perfect, thank you very much. A little pop in the tunnel real quick. I think there's a car over there, so I'm not gonna make that move. Yeah, there was. Yeah, no, the car was right there. Yeah, so I'm glad I didn't make that move. So I've been looking at you guys' comments again, like always, and once again, I appreciate all the love and support throughout, you know, what I'm going through, and it means a lot to see you guys say what you guys have been saying under the comment section, and I really appreciate to see some of my OGs still sticking with me. But like I said, man, I ain't stopping. I'm gonna just keep up with the content. Hopefully, it'll just continue to be bangers. We got a Mustang right here that's stunting my style. I didn't know he was there. Nissan cutting up with me, I think. Traffic's a little too dense on this server right now. He's got no plate. Oh no, he's got a plate up in his window. He must have just bought that car. It's like in transit. Back behind the Scion. Oh, we're hitting the brakes. Oh, there's a Genesis, like a lower Genesis over there. Is it wide body? Or is that just a wheel setup? I think that's just a wheel setup, but that thing looks good. You can hear it. There he is. Red Jenny. That guy, oh, you saw that? See, that's why you gotta keep your eyes open. I don't know if y'all saw, but that Cadillac truck was trying to make the same lane change that I was making into that middle lane. That's why some motherfuckers crash while they're doing this, and others don't. Always got to do one of those when it's raining out. Alright guys, well, that'll be another cut up video for you guys. That'll be a rain POV cut up. I think I did one of those before, but I think this one was a little bit better. It was pretty cool that we ran into the C63. I wish it wasn't raining so we could have done a little bit more cutting together. But I appreciate you guys for watching once again. Drop a like, sub up if you enjoy the content. I forgot to plug my Instagram in the last one, so I'm gonna shamelessly plug that real quick. My Instagram is JWHIT_F06, Jaywhip 06. Obviously at Jaywhip 06. I'll put a tag on the screen. I appreciate you guys for liking and dropping subs. Follow the Instagram if you want to see some fire pictures of the car, because that's pretty much all I post. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Whoosh.